Hey friends, if you encounter Windows Update error code 0x800b0003 while updating Windows, then please watch this video. I will guide you through the resolutions. Now, the first solution is to run the Windows Update Troubleshooter. How will you run the Windows Update Troubleshooter? Right click on the Start button, select Settings from the menu, go to the System tab on the list on the left hand side, select Troubleshoot in the right pane, select Other Troubleshooters and click on Run corresponding to the Windows Update Troubleshooter. It will start detecting the problems and resolve them if possible. The next solution is to reset Windows Update components. Now, we have a script for this. All you need to do is copy the script. I've shared it in the description section of the video. Search for command prompt in the Windows search bar and click on Run as Administrator and simply paste it here. I'll tell you why this script will work and fix all problems, because it will stop all the services associated with Windows Update. First of all, it will delete the Windows Update profile, it will delete the software distribution and catroot 2 folders, it will re-register the DLLs, it will reset WinSock, it will restart the services associated with Windows updates. Was this helpful? If yes, then please subscribe to the channel. If not, then let us know in the comment section of the video on how we could help you further. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.